everybody. You are on Code on Puffic channel. And today we are going to take a glance at the atexit library in Python. Exit handlers methods. Before we start, please, give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. Main module information. The atexit module defines functions to register and unregister cleanup functions. Functions thus registered are automatically executed upon normal interpreter termination. Atexit runs these functions in the reverse order in which they were registered. If you register A, B, and C, at interpreter termination time they will be run in the order C, B, A. Note, the functions registered via this module are not called when the program is killed by a signal not handled by Python. A Python fatal internal error is detected. OS_exit is called. Note, the effect of registering or unregistering functions from within a cleanup function is undefined. Atexit methods are register and unregister. Register method. Register func has a function to be executed at termination. Any optional arguments that are to be passed to func must be passed as arguments. It is possible to register the same function and arguments more than once. At normal program termination, all functions registered are called in last in, first out order. This function returns func, which makes it possible to use it as a decorator. Unregister method. Remove func from the list of functions to be run at interpreter shutdown. Unregister silently does nothing if func was not previously registered. If func has been registered more than once, every occurrence of that function in the atexit call stack will be removed. The following simple example demonstrates how a module can work from interpreter. Atexit examples using script files. Thank you for watching. Please, give a like for support this channel. Write comments. Share with friends. And subscribe to see new series. Be safe. Bye.